I'm back. Now, on this video, I'm going to show you how I router the half lap into the cross pieces to where they'll go together like that. I use a different kind of bit on these. I use it's called a spiral upcut bit, also made by Yonico. You can see it right there. It looks like a drill bit a whole lot, but I use that for cutting the trenches. It leaves a cleaner cut. I'll get that changed out and I'll be right back. Okay, now I've got my bit changed out in the router. I've got it set for about half of the depth that I'm going to be going into this. If you try to go, I'm having to go like 7/16 of an inch, almost a half an inch deep into this. If I tried to go the whole depth at once, it would end up burning and dulling my bit real easy. So if I go halfway first and then lower it on down to the rest of it and then finish it up, it will do better. So I'm going to get started on that, and you might want to turn your volumes down. Now you can see what I'm doing there. I'm just carving out that portion of that, and in between both of those marks I'm going to carve that out, and then I'm going to step on down to the full depth, which is right there. If you can see that mark, yeah, right there it is. I'm going to step on down to it and get it carved out, and then I'll come back. Okay, now I've got that done to the full depth that it's supposed to be. Move that out of the way. Now I did change out my bit after I got the fine edging done. The first one was a 1/4 inch spiral upcut by Yonico. This one is a 1/4 inch spiral upcut. It's by Yonico also. I got the fine edging to part that had to be precise done with the 1/8 inch, and then went back with the 1/4 inch and done the majority of the clean out. And then I took it and I checked it on the piece to make sure that it would set on it, and it fits it just fine. Now the next step is to router the notch out in this piece. Once this piece is routered and notched out, they'll fit together flush, like the one I showed on yesterday's video. So I'm going to get this one notched the same as I just done that one, and then I'll be back and I'll show you how they fit together. Okay, now got the second piece done already. Now this one just slides right in there, and there we go. Now that's the second cross on the two orders that I had for them currently, and this one is ready for the spar urethane to be put on. I put the spar urethane onto these before I mount them together. That way they also get coated in between. That way if any water or anything gets in there, it won't affect them. So that way they're protected all the way around. And I forgot to mention it earlier, but if there's anyone watching that also does this themselves, always make sure to wear safety goggles and glasses. Earplugs if you got them. I didn't have mine. Didn't want to go after them. But you'll see on the next video is going to be me attaching, putting the whole assembly together. The two cross pieces, mounting them together, and attaching the heart to the front and the stake onto the back. That will be out tomorrow. This is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. That was when the first video came out. And then the third and final on the series will be out on Sunday. So just keep watch out for it, and we'll see you on the next one.